Tyytyykö kindel olla raivoon kauppeavoon?
Ausalt öeldes mulle ei meeldi se teie kihver.
Ja sä arvat, et mulle meeldib. Aga ma ei suutnud ennast lihtsalt vaos hoida. No mäletad, kuidas ta ütles. 3 päeva pärast on see jääpurikas sulanud. No on alles kehkem püks. No nüüd me nägime, kuivõrd Vaike on Raivost huvitatud. Ja pane kiirust juurde, me jõua muidu teatrisse.
You could see that Pierre did truly love the mademoiselle. And now the young monsieur and madame have rung the chapel bell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell. They furnished off an apartment with a 2-room, a robust sale. The coolerator was crammed with TV dinners and ginger ale. But when Pierre found work, the little money coming worked out well. C'est la vie, say the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell. They had a hi-fi phone, oh boy, did they let it blast. 700 little records, all rock, rhythm, and jazz. But when the sun went down, the rapid tempo of the music fell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell. They bought a souped-up jitney, was a cherry red 53, and drove it down to Orleans to celebrate the anniversary. It was there where Pierre was wedded to the lovely mademoiselle. C'est la vie, say the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell.